Hello and welcome back. Today we're talking about an important update that many older Canadians have been waiting for. Federal authorities have officially confirmed an old age security payment boost connected to the February 25 payment date. And for seniors age 75 and older, this could mean up to $816 in OAS benefits for the month, depending on individual eligibility and income levels. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what this means, who qualifies, how the amount is calculated, how it connects to CPP and CRA updates, and what you should be doing right now to make sure you receive every dollar you're entitled to. Let's start by clearly understanding what this $816 OAS figure represents. Old Age Security, commonly known as OAS, is a monthly payment available to most Canadians aged 65 and older. Unlike the Canada Pension Plan, OAS is not based on your work history. Instead, it is based on your age, your legal status in Canada, and how long you have lived in the country after the age of 18. Over the past few years, federal authorities have made adjustments to OAS payments to reflect inflation and cost of living pressures. In addition, a permanent increase was introduced for seniors aged 75 and older, recognizing that older retirees often face higher health care and living expenses. For February 25, the confirmed payment date means that eligible seniors will receive their monthly OAS deposit on that day. The amount of up to $816 is tied to the maximum monthly OAS payment for seniors aged 75 and older, after the permanent 10% increase that was previously approved and implemented. This increase remains built into monthly payments and continues to apply as long as eligibility requirements are met. Now, it is very important to clarify that not every senior will automatically receive exactly $816. That figure reflects the maximum base OAS payment for those 75 and older who qualify for the full benefit and whose income does not trigger any clawback or reduction. Your actual amount may be slightly lower depending on how long you have lived in Canada or if your net income exceeds certain thresholds. Old age security payments are reviewed every quarter. The amounts are adjusted in January, April, July, and October based on a consumer price index. This ensures that payments keep up with inflation. If the cost of living rises, OAS can increase. If inflation slows, payments may remain stable, but they do not decrease due to deflation. This built-in protection is very important for seniors on fixed incomes. Let's talk about who qualifies for the full OAS amount. To receive OAS, you must be at least 65 years old and be a Canadian citizen or legal resident at the time your application is approved. You must also have lived in Canada for at least 10 years after turning 18 to receive a partial pension and 40 years to receive the full pension. For seniors aged 75 and older, the enhanced rate applies automatically once you reach that age milestone. There is no separate application required for the age 75 increase. Now, how does this connect to the Canada Pension Plan, or CPP? CPP is different from OAS. CPP is based on your work history and contributions during your working years. If you contributed to CPP while employed, you are entitled to receive CPP retirement benefits once you apply and reach eligibility age. CPP payments are also adjusted annually to reflect inflation. Many seniors receive both CPP and OAS together, and these two benefits form the foundation of retirement income for millions of Canadians. The February 25 payment date applies to both OAS and CPP for that month. Payments are usually issued on the same scheduled day each month. If you're enrolled in direct deposit, the funds should appear in your bank account on that date. If you receive payments by check, delivery times may vary slightly depending on Postal Service schedules. Now let's discuss income limits and the OAS recovery tax, often referred to as the clawback. If your annual net income exceeds a certain threshold, part or all of your OAS benefit may be recovered through the tax system. This is administered through the Canada Revenue Agency. Each year, CRA reviews your previous year's tax return to determine whether your OAS should be reduced. For example, if your net income surpasses the established threshold, a portion of your OAS is gradually reduced at a rate of 15 cents for every dollar above that limit. If your income is significantly higher, your OAS may be completely clawed back. This does not apply to most low and middle-income seniors, but it is very important for retirees with higher income from pensions, investments, or employment to be aware of. CRA updates are particularly important this time of year because your tax filing directly impacts your OAS eligibility and any additional benefits, such as the Guaranteed Income Supplement, or GIS. GIS is an extra monthly benefit for low-income seniors who receive OAS. Unlike OAS, GIS is strictly income tested and can significantly increase total monthly income for those who qualify. If your income has recently changed due to retirement, reduced employment, or loss of a spouse, you may qualify for a higher GIS amount. In some cases, you can request that your benefits be recalculated based on your current year income instead of the previous tax year. This is an important step that many seniors overlook. Now, let's talk more specifically about the February 25 payment and what seniors should do before that date. First, confirm that your direct deposit information is up to date with Service Canada. If you have changed banks or accounts recently and did not update your details, your payment could be delayed. Second, make sure you have filed your most recent tax return. Even if you have little or no income, filing your taxes ensures that CRA has the correct information to determine your benefit levels. For seniors turning 75 soon, remember that the enhanced OAS rate begins the month after your 75th birthday. You do not need to reapply. The system automatically adjusts your payment. However, always check your monthly statement through your My Service Canada account to confirm the change has been applied correctly. Another important point is deferral. Some seniors choose to delay starting OAS past age 65. For every month you delay up to age 70, your OAS increases by 0.6%, up to a maximum increase of 36% at age 70. If you deferred and are now over 75, your payment may be significantly higher than the standard $816 maximum because your deferred percentage is added on top of the age-based increase. Inflation has been a major concern over the past few years, especially for seniors facing higher grocery, housing, and healthcare costs. The quarterly OAS adjustment system is designed to provide stability, but it does not always fully offset rapid price increases. That is why monitoring all available benefits is crucial. In addition to CPP and OAS, there may be provincial supplements, tax credits, or housing assistance programs available depending on where you live. It is also important to understand that OAS is taxable income. When you receive your February 25 payment, taxes may not automatically be deducted unless you have requested voluntary withholding. You can choose to have a portion deducted at source to avoid a larger tax bill when you file your return. This is managed through Service Canada and CRA. For seniors managing tight budgets, knowing the exact payment date allows for better financial planning. If you have automatic bill payments scheduled near the end of the month, aligning them with your deposit date can help avoid overdraft fees or missed payments. Many financial institutions also offer low-fee or no-fee banking accounts specifically for seniors, which can help stretch retirement income further. In summary, the confirmed $816 OAS amount for seniors age 75 and over represents the maximum monthly old age security benefit currently available, reflecting the permanent 10% increase and cost of living adjustments. The February 25 payment date is part of the regular monthly schedule, and for most eligible seniors, the deposit will arrive automatically. As we come to the end of this update, the most important thing to remember is that the confirmed $816 OAS amount for seniors age 75 and over represents real, ongoing financial support that has been officially built into the old age security system. The February 25 payment date is not a one-time event or temporary bonus, but part of the regular monthly schedule that eligible seniors can rely on. Understanding how OAS works, how it connects with CPP, how income affects your payments, and how CRA uses your tax return to calculate eligibility gives you control over your retirement income instead of leaving it to chance. For many Canadians, OAS and CPP together form the foundation of financial stability in retirement. When you add possible GIS support for lower-income seniors, provincial supplements, and tax credits, the total monthly income can be significantly higher than the base OAS amount alone. But these benefits only work properly when your information is accurate, your taxes are filed on time, and your banking details are up to date. Small administrative mistakes can lead to delays or reductions, and that is why staying informed and organized is just as important as the payment itself. At the end of the day, this update is about security, predictability, and making sure older Canadians receive the full support they are entitled to. If you're 75 or older, confirm your eligibility, review your income situation, and monitor your February 25 deposit. If you're approaching 75, understand how your payment will change. And if you are helping a parent, spouse, or loved one manage their benefits, share this information so they do not miss out. Knowledge protects your income, and careful planning ensures that every dollar of your OAS and CPP works for you when you need it most.